Hey drivers, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to protect your ride or capture every moment on the road, today I've got the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. These dash cams are packed with smart features like 4K recording, Wi-Fi, GPS, parking monitoring, and more. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get into it. Number 1. 4K dash cam front. Compact and capable. Compact and discreet, this front-facing dash cam is perfect for everyday users. Its 4K resolution captures super crisp footage, even in low light. The 5G Wi-Fi lets you download videos fast to your phone. It's beginner-friendly and setup takes just minutes. 4K Ultra HD video, 5G Wi-Fi built-in, comes with a 64GB card, Super Night Vision, loop recording and G-sensor, supports up to 256GB, 24-hour parking monitor. Pros, very small and discreet, great video quality day and night, includes memory card, easy to use. Cons, no rear camera, no screen for live view. Number 2. REDTIGER 4K front and rear dash cam, touchscreen powerhouse. This cam looks as good as it performs. The REDTIGER's vibrant touchscreen makes navigating settings easy, while voice control allows for hands-free operation. Both day and night footage is top tier, and the GPS overlays route and speed data onto your videos. Dual 4K front plus rear cameras. STARVIS 2 sensor. 3.18-inch touchscreen. GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. 128GB card included. Voice control. Parking mode and emergency lock. Pros. Ultra clear 4K dual cam. Smooth voice control. Fast Wi-Fi video transfers. Touchscreen is responsive and sharp. Cons. Larger build. Premium pricing. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam. Speed plus storage. The ROVE R2-4K offers a seamless app experience. Its fast Wi-Fi download speed is the fastest on this list, which is perfect for quickly reviewing or sharing footage. It's reliable for long drives and offers crystal clear night recording with great dynamic range. Front plus rear dash cam. 4K plus FHD, STARVIS 2 sensor, 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 megabytes per second, 128 gigabytes card included, 3-inch IPS screen, 24/7 parking mode. Pros, ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, large memory card included, dual cam with excellent clarity, great for app control. Cons, app can occasionally lag. GPS is optional, not built in. Number 4. Budget 2.5K dual dash cam. Best value. On a budget but still want quality? This one covers the basics and then some. It delivers clear 2.5K resolution with wide dynamic range for better nighttime visibility. The rear camera is basic but helpful for capturing rear-end incidents. Front 2.5K plus rear cam, 2-inch IPS screen, 32 gigabytes card included, WDR night vision, parking monitor, G-sensor, supports up to 256 gigabytes. Pros, affordable and feature-rich, decent video quality, comes with rear camera, easy menu navigation. Cons, smaller screen, rear cam has basic resolution. Number 5. 4K dash cam W/3.59-inch screen, premium all-in-one. If you're looking for a full-featured dash cam with a large display, this one's for you. The 3.59-inch screen is perfect for reviewing footage on the go, while the WDR night vision helps balance exposure in darker scenes. It nails both visuals and performance. 4K front plus FHD rear, 3.59-inch IPS screen, 64 gigabytes card included, 5G Wi-Fi plus GPS, loop recording G-sensor, WDR night vision, 24-hour parking monitor. Pros, large screen is great for review, excellent clarity with WDR, fast Wi-Fi and solid GPS tracking, premium build. Cons, slightly bulky on the windshield, interface has a learning curve. Dash cams are a must-have in 2025 not just for safety, but for peace of mind. Here's a quick recap. For compact and simple, go with the first 4K front cam. For maximum features, try REDTIGER or ROVE R2. On a budget, that 2.5K dual cam has your back. And if you love a big screen and sharp visuals, the last 4K dash cam is a solid pick. All product links are in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more tech picks every week. Stay safe on the road.